Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A good chance in this video today. I want to share with you a strategy that will help you to turn $10 into $100 by follow these simple steps in this video. And by favor me, just give this video a like. See, this will make a huge difference and I will thanks in advance by just doing this. I'm just going to share in practical way of turn $10, and in strategy I just going to leave the link of the video. I explain this strategy I want to use in this video. And if you are new to this platform, there is a link of this platform is called the IQ option in the description down below. Just go and grab the link, open an account. Let's say you have a $10 balance in your account and you want to turn $10 into $100. How should you do this? We are just going to apply a $1 investment, okay? And we are just going to take an average of 5 trades in a day, okay? And this will be simple because you know most of option traders lose most of money because they do over trading. If you invest $1, okay, and you take a minimum of 5 trades a day, and let's say the return is 89% to 80%. For case of this video, we are just going to use 89% return for each investment. But in my video, you can see there is 93 return, okay? We are gonna use the minimum return in a day, okay? If you have a big return a day of 90, it's okay. You take $1 for each trade you trade and you make 1 trade. So the result of your return will be 89 cents times 5 trades a day is equal to $4.45. For day 1 you will make $4.45, okay? For 30 days is equal to $4.45 times 30 days you trade. It will be equal to $133. So, and let me know in the comment down below how much you are willing to start with, or your daily target is how much. So this will help me to come up with another video that will guide you to reach your goals of trade IQ option and become profitable consistently, okay? And now I want to share the part of strategy. After finish, share the part of practical way. And the strategy I use in this video, there is link in the description down below. Okay, just go and watch this video here, okay? I take this trade, I buy. I take this trade because white line, 2 simple moving average crossover, green line, 5 simple moving average, and is going to my buyer's direction up. And make sure RSI line is already crossed the middle line, or is crossing, or is crossed the upper line, that is green line, in order for you to have a valid call or higher trading, okay? And this will be profitable. To take 5 trades a day, it is simple and enough, and go to do other things. And this we can just go and see the result. This strategy is work wonderful. Every time I use this strategy, is wonderful and it produces a good result. And you see, I make it, okay? This strategy I use and it guarantee me the success of trading IQ option, okay, most of the time. And make sure you trade by follow my video. I instruct you to go and watch, and the link is in the description down below. And this is the end of my video for today, and I want to see you to the next video in the next week. Bye bye for now.